Unlike other known seasonal flus, COVID-19 incubates over 14 days with a fatality rate ranging from 1% to 3.4%. R naught of COVID-19, which represents the transmission rate, is estimated at 2.5. What that means is starting with one person who may infect 2.5 people in 5 days, coronavirus is capable of infecting 406 people in 30 days. Over 4 million people were infected at the time of making this video, killing nearly 280,000 souls on planet Earth, most of them in the US. Let's accept, COVID-19 threats prevail beyond our imagination, and human behavior is under constant force control, leading to new habits that are influencing the subconscious behaviors, fast changing the way we think and operate. While we're in the middle of the crisis, we're being forced to start to think of the new norms. Only a vaccine can bring this to an end. While researchers are working day and night to develop, it will be a huge scientific feat to achieve in 12 to 18 months and get a vaccine by mid-2021. Yet there is no guarantee it will work. COVID-19 is a classic unknown. Life, livelihood, and business survival are all undergoing unprecedented test of time. The best principle to accept and operate from is no one knows. Until we develop a vaccine, reducing social exposure, for instance, by 50% can reduce the transmission rate. Practicing social distancing can help us buy time. Time which is of essence here, because time is what is critical for investing in finding the answers. If we survive this, we have more time to create the new world. Lockdowns are in play. They are in different forms, shapes and sizes across the globe, with many restrictions, new regulations. We need more credible data with each passing day to find answers. Yet, uncertainties abound. Any search on the internet with a start point of a subject of crisis leads us into many more new data points, guides us to discover more subjects that are essential yet incomplete, but subjects that are essential to understand the impact of COVID-led crisis on the business operations. Let's take a brief journey into essential data subjects and themes that we are trying to discover in these moments of crisis. Let a starting point be represented by a solid circle and a leading data point be represented by a hollow circle. Let's discover together. Starting your journey on crisis, vaccine, lockdown, we discover several leading subjects, from crisis to risk, region, and the same from lockdown to region and risk, leading us into a journey from COVID-19 crisis to causes of infection, transmission rate, infection survival on surfaces, hygiene practices, to a hand wash. Let's experience this on the business front, where we choose to start from product, customer, experience. We lead to demand for products from customers, appetite, an essential need that drives the demand, followed by price to pay for the product. A related journey takes us from customer to awareness, level of education, generating interest, keeping customer experiences inclusive and simple, where we choose to start to talk finance, solvency, or pandemic in relationship to business or crisis or lockdown. We discover sources of funds, liquidity that is essential for understanding the impact of how long can we carry on, how long can we sustain and survive, leads us to cash flows, reserves to stay afloat, and scenarios that we need to model to study our cash flows, the time interval of survival, and the pandemic end dates likely to match the survival timelines. Human behavior, culture, workplace, safety, unemployment, or job loss, all in context of COVID-19 crisis, lead us to psychology, telling us more about human behavior in change through their personality, ability to learn and perform. An organization's ability to maintain trust in these crisis times through empathy and vulnerability by practicing organizational values. Work from home or performance tells us about automation, design, and process change, leading it to adaptiveness ability of humans, again in reference to human psychology. A connected world of data has much more to tell than a single data point. What it then means for your business is answers that we need are all hidden in the form of data. Data is the currency, is the answer to buy responses to all uncertainties. Data may be boundless, yet data is the only answer. More qualitative and credible the data, the lower the uncertainty. To evaluate the impacts on business operations, we must keep our focal points on customer, product, finance, and culture. Because customer aspirations, appetite, and affinities are fast evolving. Preferences are now led by psychological safety. Product design, fitment, marketing is all affected by essential tag of consumption. Financial math of doing business changed overnight. Variables used to determine the cost of operations no longer exist. Culture is now governed by trust value. How we engage with our customers, vendors, operations ecosystem, and our employees using and adopting technology will define our existence. What differentiates us is our adaptiveness capability. Adaptiveness will define our future. Our ability to adapt will help us command our existence and survival towards a healthy revival. It is time to ride the wave of adoption. And technology adoption will define the fate of our businesses. Guided by these focal points, customer, product, finance, and culture, we aim to bring you relevant and credible data. Specific research-led market, industry, and business trends that we continue to learn from about the changing human behavior. A few indicative data references include information on public policy change, workplace compliances, new workplace practices, regional restrictions, commute choices. For example, travel confidence of employees, rising demand for moratorium, customer preferences for essential products, customer preferences for social engagements and digital engagements. And finally, to help revive businesses, we aim to bring you assessment tools. These will be specific interventions or thematic interventions that will help you recognize your business preparedness and readiness to adopt technology. Adaptive tools will include a crisis risk management framework, for instance, cash flow planning, liquidity modeling, tools that will help you understand the automation level of your organization and the automation opportunity, readiness of your people to adapt to new technologies, a technology acceptance measure, for example, people learning and development needs, customer journeys, virtual journeys, use of cognitive assets. We bring you Rising Ahead, a platform that offers data to reduce uncertainty and assets that help you self-assess your business preparedness, all aimed at helping you ride the wave of technology adoption. Wish you and your dear ones continue to enjoy good health and stay safe.